These are the best ingredients your hair need at all costs, and it has to be incorporated in your hair care. Number one is fenugreek seeds, just the one you see me holding. Fenugreek seeds are packed with protein, iron, vitamins that support hair growth. It promotes hair growth, improves blood circulation in the scalp. It also encourages faster growth. It reduces hair shedding, strengthening weak roots. It reduces breakage, excessive hair fall. It also moisturizes the hair. It contains mucilage, so that means it makes the hair soft, smooth, and easy to detangle. Also fights dandruff and adds shine to the hair. So tell me, why wouldn't you incorporate fenugreek seed into your hair care routine? Please do so, because this is what your hair needs. So the second part is rosemary leaf. Oh my god, rosemary leaf is everything and beyond that your hair wants for oils, for deep conditioning, for moisturizing, and all that good stuff. The benefits of rosemary to the hair is it stimulates hair growth, it reduces hair loss as well. It also strengthens hair growth. It contains antioxidants, protects hair, and helps prevent weak brittles. It also fights dandruff and cleans scalp. It prevents hair from itching and also balance oil control. Rosemary leaf at all costs is very dear to your heart, especially if you're on your hair care journey. I bet you rosemary leaf is one stop ingredient that your hair would always need. Another must-have ingredient is the black seed or cumin. These seeds are tiny black, but I bet you it's packed with so much antioxidants, nutrients, proteins that your hair has been craving for. Okay, the benefit of this black seed is it prevents dandruff, it helps hair growth, daily scalp treatment, also good for deep treatment. It also moisturizes the hair, it prevents premature growth, and it also makes the hair soft. So please, black seed also is not left behind when it comes to your care routines. It also stimulates hair follicles, it reduces hair fall, and it also stops excessive shading or excessive hair breakage or excessive hair loss. It just prevents hair loss. The other one is Indian Ayurvedic herbs that boost hair growth. It increases hair shine. It also help hair growth. It supports healthy scalp. It also repair hair damage. It also boosts hair growth, prevents graying. It moisturizes dry hair and also boosts hair growth. Okay, it reduces dandruff, it prevents dandruff, it also prevents hair dryness, and it adds shines to the hair. So this is a Ayurvedic Indian recipe that has all in one benefits. So all the ingredients you're seeing on this tray is necessary for your hair care routines, because it boosts hair growth, it strengthens weak hair, it repairs damaged hair, and it makes your hair grow in no time. So the other one is your aloe vera, almighty aloe vera. Aloe vera greatly cleanses your scalp and it conditions your hair. It reduces chances of hair breakage. It also slows down the process of hair loss. It also strengthens and repairs hair strands. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Aloe vera also prevents hair color. It's also, the gel provides intense dehydration. So if you're looking for a hair care routine at home, right in your kitchen, please, why not try this remedy that you're seeing on this tray? It boosts your natural hair and it makes hair growth faster. And the good thing is, you don't need to break the bank. With a little change, you can get this and incorporate it and start doing it yourself. You don't need to wait for someone to do it for you. You can do it by yourself. You either you put it inside water or you make it as oils. If you want me to teach you how to do that, let me know in the comment section so that I will do that in the next video. And the last one but not the least is your water. Your hair needs water to grow. All these things, your hair needs to be moisturized. Your hair needs to be filled that babyish vibe, and the water makes it so things. Water is very good for your hair. I hope you know your hair needs water. It has to be dehydrated every day to make it in check. It's just like giving someone food without water. It makes that food to choke just as it is with your hair. Your hair needs water. That is why sometimes you have to moisturize your hair before you lose it, especially if you're wearing on braid, or you have to moisturize before you comb it and all that good stuff. So these are the necessary ingredients that should be incorporated in your hair care ASAP, especially if you're on a intentional hair care journey this year. Trust me, why not try this and thank me later? So I think I have to cut this video short, and I will see you on my next video. If you really want me to explain or to teach you the step-by-step on how to incorporate this into your hair care routine or into your hair growth ingredients, then let me know in the comment section. The next video I would do is to explain and guide you and equally show you how to do this by yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to share also. Please like, comment this, comment in the comment section for YouTube to push and keep pushing this video for wider audience. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.